afternoon, it's Mac, proud owner of Cherry Bomb. Today we're doing a brake pads and rotor swap on Cherry Bomb. We're gonna head over to Mr. Klein's house, and he's gonna help me with the swap. Let's get on the road. We both went on the winter forest run together, and he's already detailed his truck and washed it, and I haven't even touched mine, making me look bad. Welcome to the official Ryan Klein shop. What do you do here at your shop?
Anything that's broken, we repair it.
Have liftoff. How do we swap brakes in simple terms?
In simple terms?
Yes.
Remove the lug nuts, take the tire off, remove the caliper, compress it, put the pads in, slide the rotor on, nothing to it.
You can crack the ground off the truck?
Yeah.
Alright, so obviously got the wheel off. Now we are trying to remove the calipers. Calipers off, calipers off. How bad are those pads?
Non-existent.
Boom! Rotor off. Brake pads.
Hero shot.
Alright, so we just torqued it down. 85 seems to be the magic number, 80 to 85 foot-pounds. So one side done.
What you got there, Mac?
A rotor! Comparison there between old and new. So we're wrapping up here. We got the brake swapped, now we're just putting everything away. Alright, what's next?
Nothing.
Goes away.
Bungee. So pump the brake.
Yeah.
Stop.
My mirror. Thanks.
You might need that. Later on.
Bye.
Later, Cherry Bomb.
Later, later. Alright, we are done here at the Klein residence. Bye. Alright, 15. Oh, so much better. Alright, that's gonna wrap up this video. I just wanted to bring you all along on this little adventure and show you what swapping your brakes kind of looks like. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. Go check out the video from this weekend in our adventure with the winter forest run. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. God bless. We'll see you guys next time.